Issues occurs due to more and more employee quitting the job without any harassment. Now, stereotypes male thinking like they think like that female customer executive are incapable to perform their duties in sales department. They think like they can't extend their working hours to achieve the targets. And they also think like they cannot work in restaurants. They are not feel comfortable to work in restaurants, bars and discotheques. And they also think like that they also not bear to take more pressure from the top management to achieve the targets. These all are the thinking of stereotype of male thinking, and that's why the female customer executive are quitting in this organization. It is a big problem in this organization. Now I want to there is another cause also. We have studied another cause, harassment. Harassment here means it's giving very stress, tension, and even very disturbing to other operatives. It is harassment. It is giving this meaning, and there are many types of harassment: verbal harassment, sexual harassment, mental harassment. But HRD department found only two harassment in this department: verbal harassment and sexual harassment. They didn't find mental harassment here. But verbal harassment, it is a kind of using abuse words between the operatives. It is not only verbal harassment depend on the male to male, female to female, female versus male. It happens on this way also. It happens when there is a conflict between one operatives to another operatives, if they want to achieve targets and the pressure comes from the top management that you have to achieve the target, all frustration goes on between customer executive with team members. So the verbal harassment sometimes occurs, and the sexual harassment is a kind of exploiting physically. And HRD department didn't find mental harassment, but in this organization, Gorkha Pitiwa Limited, there is a mental harassment also for achieving the targets. Now, for all this harassment and stereotype thinking of male operatives, they occurs big problem in the HR department. More and more employer recruiting. But HR department takes some action regarding all these issues. They take flexible hour for female executives so they can work till late night. If they want to continue the shift, or if they don't want to continue, they can discontinue the shift. They are also providing transportation to that female customer executive, so it is easy to access to go their place. And because in our country it is very uncomfortable, very insecure to transport in public, to use public transport at the night time. And also our HRD department also communicate to all operatives to respect diversity, respect to diversity, and not discriminate on the basis of gender issue. As here the problem is 50% they hire the female customer executive, among 50. 20 are quitting the job in this organization in 1 year. In 20, 15 are female customer executive quit the job. So the more ratio of female customer executive quitting in this job, because sometimes female customer executive are not. They don't want to complain to HRD department regarding harassment and discrimination, because they don't want to disclose they are harassed because of they don't want to create great issue on this. They just quit the job without giving any reason to the HR department. So these all are the things facing HRD department, and the problem occurs high staff turnover problem. Our syndicate member Saurabh will recommend more on this gender issue. Thank you.